Reality TV star Kim Kardashian's fans' brand is on fire, with her Skims underwear now worth an eye-popping £2.4 billion. The knickers label, modeled by celebrities including Megan Fox, Kate Moss and Kim herself, enjoyed extraordinary growth during the pandemic, doubling in value since last April. It emerged yesterday that new investors were pouring £179 million into the red-hot clothing venture, which was only launched in 2019 and now draws in annual sales of £205 million. Skims is just the latest business success for the star, who filed for divorce from rapper husband Kanye West last year and is now dating comedian Pete Davidson. The 41-year-old mother of four, who shot to fame along with her sisters in reality TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians, is currently estimated to be worth around £900 million. Her companies, including cosmetics and fragrance firm KKW Beauty, have been a huge hit with young shoppers thanks to her mammoth social media following. The Skims range of loungewear and underwear has even popped up in the Olympics, with Team USA athletes sporting it last summer at Tokyo and again this winter in Beijing. The sought-after clobber has also been worn by celebs including Kim's sister Kourtney, singer Billie Eilish and Kanye's new girlfriend, actress Julia Fox. Now Kim, who is gearing up to film her family's new reality show for Hulu, called The Kardashians, is eyeing even further growth for the company. Chief Executive Jen Squeed said, "We see an opportunity with Skims to create our own category in retail, just like how we believe Lululemon and Starbucks created their own categories in their respective areas. That's really why we're doing this, to make sure we're best prepared for the future."